Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Why do we need to get offers and offer different kinds of discounts? Marketing is a process in which you engage your audience. You interact with your audience, your customers, your clients, and you provide different types of offers which are valuable to your customers, your clients. When you get in touch with your customers, your clients, they are easily available to you and they are looking at your offers and your discounts. You will be on the front of media channels. You will be on the front of social media, digital media, due to which everyone will be able to recognize you, recognize your products, recognize your services, and this recognition will convert your sales. Your sales will be increased. What is marketing? An American association defines marketing as the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings and exchanging offerings that have values for customers, clients, partners and society at large. It means that marketing is the activity, is a set of processes for creating, for communicating and delivering different kinds of offers and exchanging your products or services with your clients and your customers that have values for the society at large. So you need to deliver, you need to create offers, you need to make events, different kinds of events, discount, and you need to provide different kinds of offers, discount offers, due to which you can engage your audience. Your audience will be in touch with you and they will be able to see your products, your services at different stages and different kind of places on different social media platforms. You will engage your respective audience, due to which they will be able to see your products, your services, and they will easily be converted to the sales, and your sales will be increased and you can get more profit, more sales, and your marketing activity at the large will be increased. Big companies always invest a large amount on the digital activities, on the digital marketing, because they know the importance of digital marketing. When you are getting in touch with the digital platforms, everyone will be able to recognize your page, recognize your product, your services, and these services and products can easily be converted into the sales. So digital marketing is a very important tool. Thank you so much for watching this video.